Usually when a video cuts out, it's because it hits the 5-minute mark. But in this case, it cut out because the system overheated on an overcast day when there's no heat. Gotta love technology, guys. Gotta love technology. But anyway, as I was saying before, do you think there's gonna be a single American company in America who's gonna pick up the phone, not pick up the phone, but maybe pick up the phone or the computer and type in a comment in my comment section and say, hey, Marco Reviews, you junk dumping fool. I love your new innovative ingenuity and creativity. You've come up with such an amazing product. Let's do business. No, because America is not America first, because America is not about opportunity. It is the land of nopportunity, no opportunity, where avarice and greed is so strong that even if American made wanted to make my product, they would steal it and they would pretend that I did not make it, that they invented it, and then they would sell it and I would get nothing, even though I am not a greedy person, and I would take 5 cents per sale out of everything. Can you imagine how not greedy I am? I would take 5 cents per sale on somebody else helping me build this product and putting it on the market. And yet, me asking for 5 cents for this product that I invented and helping them put it to market because maybe they have the infrastructure required to do it is asking too much. And you think why America has failed and capitalism has failed? This is why. So there you go. There you go. I'm going to pretend to be Eli the computer guy and now ask you questions. Do you believe capitalism is dead? Have you bought yourself a defibrillator? Because it's coding, capitalism is coding flat on a bed, and you crank it up all the way and you go, live capitalism, live. What do you think? What do you think about this? Do you think there's going to be a single American company here in America who's America first, willing to drop a comment on this video or any other video on all of my social media and say, hey, I like your new idea. Let's make it a thing. And I offer you 5 cents every time I sell one of these products, which is almost nothing. Nothing. There won't be, because this country has become so greedy and pathetic and horrible that it is destroying ingenuity. It is destroying the real American dream, which is people coming from other places, bringing their knowledge, bringing their creativity, bringing their thoughts and things, wanting to be good citizens, not crooks, right? Not people stealing stuff, causing havoc, burning down buildings. There's more Americans doing that right now than people like me. But we have PTSD and we don't want to go and try to build things because we can't. They are stopping us from doing it. Anyway, wouldn't it be nice if Eli the computer guy had Jerry from Nerdgasm? That'd be cool. He seems to not be able to find Palmer Luckey because Palmer Luckey is busy with big oil on his yacht, doing cool things like spreading oil through the sky. I don't know, whatever else he's doing on his special yachts and stuff. So he's too busy to do a fireside chat over the summer. But maybe Jerry from Nerdgasm, who's actually a decent person, may do that. So that's my advice for Eli the computer guy. Oh, it was cool. I saw the Rossman. Rossman was back. Well, Rossman was back on his show, and it was great. And one of the things that he talked about, one of the takeaways was, why do you people keep bringing me products made in China and then saying, how can we fix it in American?